Hi, my name is Kyra Balkis, and today I will be continuing explaining the personal income taxation. This is the computation of income tax payable for the year assessment of 2020 of Nina Arena. Basically, the income tax payable consists of Section 4A until Section 4F, which is business income, employment income, dividend interest discount income, rent royalty, premium income, pension, annuity, alumni income, others income. So as you can see here, this is the net statutory business income, which is include the first business, the second business, and also the partnership income related to Nina Arena. The section 4B include the statutory employment income, where my friend already explained it. Here is the amount earned by Nina Arena. This is section 4D, which is include the rental income. Here, we can see that the rental deposit is nil. It is because any amount that we need to pay back to the tenant we not included in the computation of the income tax payable. Section 4F is other income, where here Nina Arena become the part-time Korean language lecturer for 3 months. This is the amount of the payment that she get through the part-time work, and this is the add up amount from this one. After that, it will be deducted with the donation, which is not the in-kind donation but the cash donation. For the present case, this is the cash donation to Rumah Intan Payung, which costs 1,000, and it will be deducted. After that, it will also be deducted with the relief entitled for Nina Arena, such as South, Lifestyle, EPF, Life Insurance Relief, Medical Insurance, Basic Supporting Equipment for her disabled mother, and this will come out with the chargeable income. By this, we will know that how much she need to pay for her tax. So the first 1 million ringgit she need to pay 237,650, while the next 305,400 will be imposed with 28%, which then equal to 85 ringgit, 85,512. This is the net income taxable, where she need to pay to the government. That's all. Thank you.